Hello, my name is Imelda Falcon with the Lux Group at Keller Williams Realty, and today we're at our newest listing at 6320 Haywood Drive in Midland, Texas. Joining us is the lovely homeowner, Miss Elena. Hi, Elena.
Hey.
And she's going to give us a tour of her beautiful home and point out some of her favorite features.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. So, Elena, tell us a little bit more about why you initially fell in love with this beautiful home and some of your favorite features.
Yeah, absolutely. So there are a number of things that I love about this home, but I think I'm going to mention just three to start off.
Okay.
First, we just love the location. We're right off of the loop. It's still quiet. We're in the middle of the neighborhood here on this street, so we don't hear any of the hustle and bustle of the loop, but we're skipping a jump away. So that means that we're about 15 minutes away from anything in Midland as well as in Odessa. Then the layout of the home. It's worked really, really well for our family. We have 2 children and 2 dogs, and this house has got plenty of space for everybody. And then the third thing that I'm going to talk about is our backyard. It is beautiful, serene. It's great in all times of the year, in winter as well as in the summer. And we spent a lot of time there.
So, Elena, can you give us a tour of your beautiful home?
Yeah, absolutely. Let me show you around. So right here we've got our living room. I always find it super inviting. It's got the views of the backyard, and on a nice sunny day or even on a rainy day, it's pretty cozy in here. Then we've got another living area that I find works really well for a family. We use it as our media room, but our teenagers actually enjoy it quite a bit when they invite their friends over, and they come and they watch movies here, and then if they're in a mood, they play some instruments. And over here we've got our sitting area. Now I believe the way the home is designed, it's supposed to be a formal dining room. We did not want a formal dining room. We have another eating area off of the kitchen, so we set this up as our sitting area. We've celebrated many Christmases over here. That's where we set up our Christmas tree. Over here we've got our kitchen with a beautiful granite island. We have enjoyed many family gatherings around this area, and Thanksgiving and Christmases. And here is where we have our dining room, and again, that view of the backyard just adds that serene and inviting feel. All right, let's go. Let's take a look at the primary bedroom. Here's our primary bedroom. What I love about it the most is the size. And then we do have a couple of windows that allow lots of light if you wanted it in. And then if you shut the blinds, it actually makes it really nice and dark and cozy for when you're going to sleep. And then let's take a look at the primary bathroom. My favorite part about the bathroom is the tub. I have had many bubble baths in here, very nice and relaxing at the end of the day. And then of course, what everyone wants to see is the closet. And here we've got a walk-through closet that fits all of my clothes and all of my lovely shoes. My husband and I both work from home, so we had to find 2 workspaces to accommodate us. This is my husband's workspace. Let's take a look over here. We've got 2 bedrooms here. Right now, one of them is set up as a bedroom. This was our son's bedroom, And then the two rooms are connected by a Jack and Jill bathroom, which we found very convenient for when we had both of our children at home. And the other bedroom right now is set up as my office space. This used to be our daughter's bedroom, but she's now away in college, so now I'm using it as my office. Over here we've got our guest bedroom. What I love about this bedroom is that it is completely separate from the rest of the house, so when we do have visitors coming in, they can feel comfortable and have their privacy. It comes in with its own bathroom. All right, last but not least is our favorite feature of the house, and that's our backyard. Our family has loved this yard over the years. Our favorite things to do is to lounge by the pool on a hot summer day with a water feature on. It just makes it feel so wonderful and relaxing. And or we love to watch football outside. We've got a couple of speakers out and a big screen TV and just a cozy lounge area that we enjoy sitting at as a family.
Elena, thank you so much for allowing us into your beautiful home and for the wonderful tour.
Yes, of course. We're going to hate to leave here, but I know this is going to be a great home for someone else.